And so let's just take an opportunity together right now to work with this tool, this idea of imagination, to know that we have these limitless possibilities. Let's do that together as we move into a time of meditation. And so right here, right now, in this now moment, we take this opportunity to breathe in, to connect with the light and the love and the presence of Spirit that we are. To gently turn away from the outer concerns, the outer worries, the thoughts of what we may have to do later today. We just gently set those aside. And right here and right now, focus on the power and presence of Spirit within ourselves. And in this now moment, we allow that divine light and love of God to imagine within ourselves the highest and greatest expansion of who and what we are. In this moment, we see our dreams, our goals. We see beyond the appearance of what is. And right here and now, choose to allow that divine light to inspire us with imagination. And so it is in this time of divine connection that we allow Spirit to do what Spirit does within us. As we imagine the limitless possibilities available to us in this moment, as we rest in the stillness, in the quiet of God, in the silence. And ever so gently, we feel ourselves being drawn back to this time and this place. The feeling of gratitude singing in our hearts for all of those things that we have imagined, all of those things that we are imagining into reality right now. In this moment, we stay grateful for the manifestations of Spirit and the limitless possibilities that are ours. And so ever so gently, we return to this time and to this place. And so it is. Amen.